morning light spilled softly over the Swiss Alpine village, painting the cobblestones in warm gold. Sophia walked slowly, her boots tapping gently on the uneven stones, each step echoing softly. She brushed a hand along the wooden railings of flower-filled balconies, petals brushing against her fingers. A faint breeze carried the distant ring of a church bell, mingling with the rustle of leaves overhead. She paused, bending slightly to touch a cluster of bright pink and violet flowers, feeling their soft texture. The air smelled of fresh earth, pine, and distant wood smoke, a quiet promise of the day ahead. By mid-morning, Sophia reached the lakeside, where water rippled gently against smooth rocks. She dipped her fingers into the cool, crystal-clear water, listening to the subtle splash. Small pebbles clinked under her boots as she walked along the shore, the occasional birdsong weaving into the soft wind. Sitting on a wooden bench, she ran her fingers along its smooth grain, adjusting her scarf as the breeze brushed her hair. Soon, she wandered into a cozy café, the wooden door creaking softly as she stepped inside. The aroma of chocolate and baked bread enveloped her. Sophia stirred her cup of hot chocolate, the spoon clinking gently against porcelain, steam curling upward in thin wisps. She picked up a chocolate truffle, the foil crinkling under her fingers as she unwrapped it carefully. The soft rustle of the napkin and gentle taps on the table added a comforting rhythm to the quiet moment. After her break, she strolled through the local market, watching vendors arrange cheeses, fresh pastries, and jars of preserves. Her fingertips brushed the petals of flowers in baskets, and she turned the crisp pages of a small guidebook, the soft flipping adding another layer to the ambient sounds. Far away, the faint tinkle of cowbells echoed from the hills. As afternoon faded into evening, Sophia climbed a small hill to watch the sunset over the Alps. The wind whispered softly, ruffling the leaves and her scarf. She ran her hand along the weathered wooden fence, watching the lake below reflect the golden light. A small dog companion padded along beside her, its soft paw steps on the grass blending with the gentle sounds of nature. Birds called from the treetops, and a serene calm settled over the mountains. Night fell quietly as Sophia walked back through the village. The cobblestone streets echoed softly with her footsteps. Warm lights glowing from windows along the way. A faint fire crackle drifted from a distant home, mingling with the rustle of leaves and a final cowbell tinkle in the distance. She paused for a moment, touching the wooden balcony railing, letting the quiet of Switzerland sink in. The world was soft, gentle, and alive with the soothing sounds of her journey.